Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of October 3rd through the 9th in the horizontal planner that I use as my safe space for hand lettering practice. I'll show you a lettered spread from last year at the end of the video in case you're curious about what that might look like. The theme I'm going with this week comes to us from Happy Planning Tips and Tricks Challenge, HPTNT Challenge. That's the Happy Planning Tips and Tricks group on Facebook that I'm one of the admins of. I run the challenge, and so I know what this one is. For Firestarter, we tried to go with themes that could be interpreted spooky, scary, Halloweeny, but also could maybe not be that way. So like fire could be roasting marshmallows, camping, it could be a Bunsen burner in chemistry class, it could be the fiery colors of fall leaves. So that's what we chose for this one. If you missed this challenge page setup, this is the same challenge page I set up every month. I just chose to go blackout this month. So that video posted on Tuesday a couple days ago, you can find it. All right, so the stickers I pulled for this, I have this page. This is from Simply Gilded. This little character is called Jasper, not to be confused with my kitty cat Jasper. I spell mine different. Mine is J-A-Z-P-U-R, and this is J-A-S-P-E-R, more traditional. Anyway, he's got his little campfire and his tent and his backpack, so I wanted to use some of these. And then I never put kitties in my horizontal planner. Those are mostly catch-all stickers, but I've got, this one's from Sweet Avis Paper. This one's got a little kitty cat camping. Snowball is his name. At a campfire there. This one's got, let's see, this is supposed to be dumpster fire Snowball, but it looks like Snowball got set on fire by the fire starter. This one is also, finally, those two and this one are all from Sweet Avis Paper. So this one is grilling, and I thought, why not? There's a fire involved in that. Then I've also got Fat Cat Designs. I've got a kitty cat grilling, and Orange Umbrella Co. I've got a kitty cat grilling. So lots of grilling stickers. I love to grill. I'm actually going to grill a steak today when I'm done filming. So I'm making myself hungry. And then the last thing I pulled to go with all this stuff is some washi. So I thought this Simply Gilded washi here, these two, this set, looked very fall and fire related. And then I pulled this one, which is just a generic one from probably AliExpress that's got some bats in a copper foil. And so these both have copper foil. So, and my light seems super, super bright. So I'm going to adjust that. It's always hard to get my light set right with my dark desk as a background. So anyway, okay, so that's all that stuff. And then I'll just pull, I just have my combined copies of colorful boxes. I will link in the cards up above a video on how to do this, but I've just got like 4 copies here all together, and I thought I could just pull maybe some black stickers for who to attribute the quote to. So, or I could go with gold just to kind of spice it up a little bit, since well, these have silver. The washi tape's got gold and copper, so honestly I could pull just about whatever boxes I want, but I think maybe I'll go with gold because they have kind of a fall feel to them. So, and I like the size for this particular application that is just 1 notch smaller than square. So we'll get to those. There we go. All right, so first things first, you all who are regulars know what I'm going to do. I'm going to white out this week and notes. So what I do is I just do an internet search and find quotes that go with a theme word, and I write that theme word down here really big. So I would probably use, for example, for this one I would use fire. And then I find quotes that'll fit, that are relatively short, that'll fit, and I put those in these spaces. And sometimes when you find a quote that you like, they list on there who the famous person was that they attribute that quote to, and I do like to give credit where credit is due, so I like to capture that information. So I'm just going to build a kind of a little scene here. I'm going to put this washi tape down as the ground. So I'm going to put black down, and I'm going to put the foil up so it kind of almost looks like the ground maybe is on fire, which if you live out west like I do, that can be definitely a real thing. I love this washi tape. It is so gorgeous. It looks like embers almost. I'm gonna take this Jasper climbing his furry little bear butt is sticking out of the tent. And I'm gonna go ahead and sit this on that washi just like it's the ground. So my aim here is to try to cover up that washi or that whiteout. And then I thought, you know, spooky camping, you know, it would be not crazy for there to be bats floating around, flying around. So I thought I could put this, a hunk of this washi tape up here, as in bats in the night sky, except I don't want a straight rip on that. So let's rip the edge of that off. I don't know why. I don't like straight rips. They look unfinished to me, a straight rip. Not that a crooked rip makes it more finished, but it just looks more intentional, I think, rather than a straight edge in the middle of a page. To me, I guess looks kind of like you ran out of washi tape or something. I don't know. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but anyway. So here we go. So I've got Jasper the bear camping in his tent on the fiery ground with the bats up above. And here I'm thinking Snowball could join him. So outside of the tent, it would not be crazy for there to be a campfire and maybe somebody who decided to stay up a little later. So there we go. All right, so there's my little scene. So I can write fire there. So then the next thing I want to do is go ahead and let's grab a box. And I'm going to come down slightly low with it, just a little bit low, to cover that white out. All right, and then so there aren't tons of Jasper stickers, so I want to use them a little bit sparingly. So what if this one, let's see, I've got the bats there. I kind of feel like I want, this one almost looks like leaves falling too, and it's already got a straight edge on this side, so let's put it here up high, just a little bit of it. Or do I want it, actually I think I want it like this, so that the night, it looks like the night sky and it's darker up at the top. No, I did it backwards. I just said I didn't want to do it that way. Oh my gosh. I'm hungry. I started thinking about that steak that I'm going to go grill, and now I'm hungry. Let's just make this about roughly the same size as the box that it's over top of. And then I think I want this kitty on there. Maybe this kitty doesn't trust the kitty grilling, so I'll put both of them on there. Let's put a grilling kitty on there too. Okay, so now let's come over here. For this one, I think I want to save another big Jasper for this side, maybe the one with the campfire. So maybe I'll put a camping. Oh, I should put the moon and stars up here. Let's see. I think over here, let's put hiking Jasper over here. And we'll put like some bats overhead again. So hiking at night, again with the bats out. There we go. And then I just noticed these little moons and stars and stuff are cut out, some of them. So let's put those on there. Since I'm at the very top, I can come on up. It doesn't hurt anything. Tiny, tiny, tiny stickers, my goodness. Okay, that's cute. Super, super cute. Okay. Last but not least, let's put something here. So I want another box. I like to do about 2 on each page. That one's down low. Let's put this one up high. See, I don't have tons and tons of different stickers, and I want to save this campfire guy for over there. So I think I'm going to need to do another one with this washi. Maybe I'll layer them this time. I know I said I wanted this one up, but I think I changed my mind. I want it down because I want to actually layer the two washis. I want to do the dark wash, or the wide washi here, almost like some kind of apocalyptic alien movie with the sky being on fire. And then I want to put the bat washi over top of it. Like maybe that's even more bats far off in the distance. And maybe we'll go ahead and move this one more time and just put it right up next to the washi. There we go. And I don't think I'll put any additional stickers with that one. So, all right, let's see here. For this page then, I always have to decide, do I want to offset them? And I think I do. So I can put a box down here. I think I want it up high, and let's put the bats up above it. Beware the bats. And then should we grill some more on this one? Yeah, let's have a, this one's wearing chef garb, and I don't think you'd be wearing that if you were out on a camping trip grilling. So let's use this one. Maybe they're at a barbecue competition. I don't know. I'm just kind of making this up as I go along. So let's put a couple of them here like they're competing. They're having a barbecue competition. I actually watch those on Food Network. They're quite fun. Okay, now I want to use a Jasper facing that way. This is the only one I have, so I think let's put him on a little bit of this washi, just as a ground for him to be sitting on. I don't think I left that long enough. Yeah, if I move him way over. Okay, there we go. So now I got to come over here. Just debating if I want to use any more of these. I guess I could use another little hiking Jasper, only I'm going to go here, and I really don't want the same hiking Jasper on either of those places. So I guess I needed hiking Jasper down here. Okay, so maybe it's not a barbecue competition, maybe. And that's not going to come up. Never mind. Okay, no more hiking Jaspers, because I don't feel like getting the undo out. So let's see. I want to do my last box up here. Let's just go ahead and grab that, and we'll put it up high. And I think do I want to layer bats again? Let's layer bats again. This time let's layer this one down low with the bats on top of it. And then last but not least, I think I need more grilling and campfiring going on over here. So I just really like this bat washi. I think I want to go ahead and use it one last time. Do I want this one at the bottom again? I think I do. This could also be good for like a Dante's Inferno kind of a spread. Okay, so more grilling kitties. I've got that guy right there. Let's put this campfire kitty. I want one facing that way. I just want another one of these little hiker guys, like he's hiking back to camp and they're working on lunch or dinner. I guess it'd be dinner. One more grilling kitty. No, I just noticed none of these grilling kitties are facing that way on any of the sheets. They're all facing the same direction. Huh. All right. Well, let's put this one on there then. Like, worried about the bats overhead, you know? And I know I'm using repeats, but I don't have a lot of options. I don't care. There we go. All right, so there's my fire starter spread in my horizontal planner. It's cute. We get a bunch of red and orange and strong yellow, gold writing on there. Even some brown. That's gonna dress it up quite a bit. I'll show you. Like I said, I'm gonna show you a spread from a year ago. So there's that. There's my fire starter. And then it's surprising how hard it is to find fire related stickers. So here is the first week of October last year. So, oh, I had kitties a year ago. Oh my gosh, how did I do that? I swear I did not look forward. So Team Cat, this was Team Cat versus Team Dog. So you can see I've got my cat stickers, and then I chose pens that match the colors that were in the stickers. All you need is love and a cat. Time spent with cats is never wasted, Sigmund Freud. The smallest feline is a masterpiece, Leonardo da Vinci. Cats leave paw prints on your heart. Kittens are angels with whiskers, and that's from Alexis Flora Hope. I used to love dogs until I discovered cats, Nafisa Joseph. When a cat you love becomes a memory, the memory becomes a treasure. Oh man, that one brings tears to my eyes. So anyway, there we go. That's how I use my spread. This is what my hand lettering looked like a year ago. And I will now then use the spreads I'm doing this year. I had to cut back a little bit on my hand lettering. It was starting to give me some issues with my shoulders. So I will use these spreads next year because I'm not continuing my hand lettering Sunday lessons for a third year in a row. But those first 2 years of lessons will not be going anywhere. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you, gives you some ideas, possible ways to use a horizontal planner, especially now that the fall release is out and there are way too many cute planners that we all want to get our hands on. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.